Unit 9. The Blue Sky.
Joe asked me something about science just now, but I didn't know the answer.
I'm good at science. Ask me.
Okay, why is the sky blue?
I'll explain it in a simple way. Light comes through the air from the sun in waves.
The light is in many colors, right?
Right. Blue light waves are smaller than air molecules. They sometimes get absorbed by these molecules.
Okay, what happens then?
Then the blue light waves scatter in many directions. Your eyes see this blue light from above you after it leaves the air molecules.
So that is what makes the sky blue. What happens to the other colors?
They reflect off the things that they hit. Your shirt is red because our eyes see the red light reflected from it.
Now I understand why the sky is blue.
What question did Joe ask? Who explains the answer to Joe's question? How does light come through the air from the sun? What color are the light waves that are smaller than air molecules? What happens to the blue light waves when they get absorbed by air molecules? What color does the sky appear to be because of this scattering? What happens to the other colors of light? Why is Joe's shirt red? What is the primary topic of their conversation? How does Joe feel after the explanation?